Pero las preguntas que habrá que responder es si vamos a crear públicos, fidelizar públicos, vamos a fomentar la participación o vamos a ampliar los públicos.
Segmenting your audience, grouping people together with shared needs, helps you to really engage them in different ways by understanding what it is that drives them to engage with the arts.
Al Festival Cruïlla treballem per deixar de veure el públic com una massa i veure'l com persones amb noms i cognoms que ens importen.
It's about public-funded culture, so everyone should have access, and everyone should, of course, work with audience development to be funded by public money.